Now, this is only going to be a quick short little video, but I wanted to let you know that Self-Publishing Titans has just had an upgrade to one of their free tools, and it's this one just here, their KDP Category Finder. Now, if we come over to the Self-Publishing Titans free Facebook group, we can see that Corvin, that's the creator of the tool, created a post a couple of days back. So it says, our free tool is updated and live. With this tool, you can search and find any and all KDP categories. Also, each category is linked to Amazon, so you can click and go directly to each and every category page and see all of the best-selling books. So, if we come over to here, let's take a little look at this to see what it's like. So we can actually filter this and change this by the different marketplaces. If we click on here, there's US, Canada, UK, Germany, Spain, France and Italy, I believe. But we're going to keep this on the US as this is the biggest marketplace. Now we can also filter this by paperback books and also Kindle books. Then right here, we can type in and search for a category. So let's say we've created a book all about dogs. We can type in dogs. And if we click enter, in fact, we don't even have to click enter. We're now going to get all the categories related to dogs. Now, what we can also do is click on any of them just here on the right hand side and go directly to this category over on Amazon. So if we go to this one, which is breeds, books, crafts, hobbies and home, pets and animal care, dogs and breeds, we can go directly straight over just like this. And now we're in that category where we could do further research. Now let's go back again like so. So what we can do is just type in any single category that we're looking for just here. Now we can also just look through the categories because they're all laid out just here as well. And as we can see, there's a little plus icon right next to these categories, which means we can go deeper into that category. So if we're looking at comics and graphic novels, we can click on the little plus icon. Then we're going to get all of the other categories or the subcategories under this category. Then we can even go deeper on these if there's another plus icon. So now we're under comics and graphic novels, how to create comics and manga, and then there's these other subcategories. And again, if we want to go to Amazon and check out that category, we can simply click on go to site and it's going to take us there. So if you didn't know already, come through and check it out. This is going to be a great tool for your self-publishing business. Now again, this is actually completely free to use, but you do need a free account. Now it's really simple to sign up as well, but please keep that in mind. Now they do also have lots of other tools as well. So if we come up here to the menu bar and hover over tools, we can see all of these KDP resources. They have the category finder, which we just checked out, a free low content bookmaker. I believe I've made a video all about this in the past, and what I'll do is link that down in the description. Then they have the KDP BSR sales calculator, another great tool, the ACOS royalty calculator, which this is a must-have tool if you're actually running ads on Amazon, because you need to know your break-even ACOS. Now with this tool, all you have to do is put in what type of book you've got, the marketplace that you're selling, the interior type, the trim size. So if we change this to a 6x9, put in the number of pages, let's go with 100, and let's say we're selling this for $8.99, we can now see that our break-even ACOS is 34.37%. So if our ACOS is under this, we're in profit. If it's over this, we're losing money. And if it's exactly the same, we're breaking even. So again, this is a must-have tool if you're running ads on Amazon. But nonetheless, they have lots of great tools. Come through and check them out. I will leave a link for the category finder down in the description below. Now, as you can see, they also have a pen name generator. So if you struggle coming up with pen names, then come and check out that tool and the QR code generator as well. So, as you can see, they actually have lots of free great tools that you can use in your self-publishing business. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.